Alright, people, this here is my favorite space heater I've ever had. So when Holmes here first came out with the AccuTemp digital steady thingamajiggy, you can either have it on manual or the AccuTemp. It's got off, fan, low, medium, high. High is 1500 watts, and I think low is 1200 watts, and I'm not sure what the other one is. I mean, this heater has been good to me. I've had so many hours of use out of this, so many hours. I do take it apart once in a while, and I do clean it up. I got it for Christmas when I was 18, because usually, like, in the wintertime, after so many years, my mom, she'll buy me a new heater fan. My parents know what I like. But, I mean, I'm 25 now, so I'm guessing this was around 2003 when I got this. I still use it almost all the time. I mean, you set it and forget it. It's that easy, people. I like to usually set at 70. Alright. I mean, it's pretty quiet, too. And I mean, it does a good job of heating the room. I'm going to go with the AccuTemp at 65 in here. Here's fan. Not that loud at all. Swivels on the base. Well, right now we'll do it on my coffee table. Yeah, and I got the Crimson Chin on here. And I've nicknamed this heater Sherlock. Sherlock has been good to me. Holmes, I think in the 90s, they built some good stuff. Alright. And to show everyone that it's not a piece of shit and works. Here's the low heat setting. Feels good. It's like lukewarm. Medium, you can hear the elements in there. I don't know, they make this buzzing sound. And here's high. Spin down now of the fan. Got like a paddle blade in there too. That is Sherlock, everybody. My Sherlock Holmes heater.